Hello all, welcome to Rapid Flow Knowledge Center. This is Rajendra Kumar, HCM Principal Consultant from Rapid Flow. In this session, we are going to see a futuristic functionality which is candidate pool functionality from Oracle Cloud Recruitment Module. In this training, we are going to look at how the candidate pool functionality will work in the recruitment module. Let me give you an overview about the candidate pool functionality. This functionality will be used by hiring managers and recruiters to group candidates into different pools so that they can be using these pools in current positions and future positions. Let's see the look and feel of our newborn application and the functionality. This is going to be the landing page where we can log into the cloud applications by entering URL, username and password. Upon signing in, we can work in my client group work area. We have a hiring icon. Once we click on hiring icon, we are going to land at candidate pool work area. In this page, we can create a candidate pool. We can enter a candidate pool information, and on top of that, we can perform various actions against a candidate pool. Like we can add candidate to the pool and we can remove candidate from a particular pool. Let us log into the system and see how this functionality will work out in the Fusion application. Enter your username and password. It will be taken to home page. This is your home page. Click on My Client Group and hiring icon. Now you are landed to recruitment work area. Click on candidate pool. This is the place where you can create new candidate pool. Enter a candidate pool name. And select relevant job. And optionally you can give description. Ownership type, we have three types of ownership here. One is private, shared and global. When you select global, your candidate pool will be available across the system. Shared is you're sharing with among some people. Private is particular for one person only. Click on save. Your candidate pool is created now. Now we can see how we can add candidate into the particular candidate pool which we created now. Click on candidate search where you have multiple candidates. Select candidates. Go to the action. Here we have another action called add to pool. Click on add to pool. Now you can select the pool which you created. I have created this candidate pool. Click on save and close. Now you have 3 candidates in this particular pool. Let us go back to the candidate pool and check whether we have these 3 candidates in the pool or not. Now we can see these 3 candidates in the pool. This is how we can create a candidate pool and we can add candidates into the candidate pool. Now open the candidate pool. If you want to remove any candidate from a candidate pool, select a person which you wanted to remove from a candidate pool and go to the actions. Under actions, you have something called remove candidate from candidate pool. Select that. Click on save and close. This is how you can remove a candidate from candidate pool. So we have seen how to create a candidate pool, how to add a candidates into candidate pool, then how to remove candidate from a candidate pool. Thank you so much for watching this video.